I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin in just a second. Remember, we've got a combo, which is now 16 months. You get 4 months free. Sign up for a year of both the CBC trading group, spot longs training, and the leverage trading group. Ride the bull run with us for 16 months. So again, 4 months free of the CBC group and 4 months of the leverage group, 10 total groups. Everything's covered. You need to know why we're so successful. We've already have 550 people in our leverage group, killing it. But now you can go to the website, cryptorev.net. You can pay by card. If you just want to try it out for 6 months, you can do that. But these combos, I'm telling you, in this bull market, the halving is coming. And after the halving, the bull market, right? So you'll want to get in on these small cap, the spot coins that we post, the larger cap coins that we post, the setups that we've been killing. And I'll go over that in just a second. If you have any questions, you can email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. And I'll get everything taken care of for you in an email and answered very clearly. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin has been slowly working lower. Are you going to get a bounce here based on this support level right here? Right here. Okay, there's buyers right here. Out of the blue, last night, this morning, before this issue with Coinbase, the SEC asked it to only trade Bitcoin. Manipulation. But then this article comes out early in the morning, 12:15 a.m., so that everybody wakes up to some uncertainty. Which whale is trying to shake the market? Before going after Coinbase, SEC asked it to trade only Bitcoin, this article stated. And then use the source as FT, which is an online news magazine covering crypto. And then it says the SEC told FT that its enforcement division didn't make any formal request for companies to delist crypto assets. So why even write the article if down here you state that SEC didn't say this? Like, it's well games. So here you are at a support level. The bottom line is this, right? It's just real simple. You got to hold this. This is your low. This is your high. This needs to be a higher low, and then drive up here and put in a higher high above 31,800, and then you're going to 45,000, 40,000, and 45,000, right? If you lose this level on a breakdown, you're coming down here to 25,000, 23,800. Next stop down is 21,500. This would be a double top if confirmed, and you could hit 19,600. Possible. But it's react based on this idea, right? You're opening up shorts on a breakdown of this trend line. You're opening up longs on a breakout of this $31,800 level. It's that simple. Write it down. If you want something you've never had, you've got to do something you've never done. No one is going to do this for you. I sat in a chair for years at a computer and studied trading and created a course to teach people how to trade. Now we got leverage trading. The most important thing is take advantage of this time right now and learn. Group or no group. This is the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime. The Bitcoin halving is coming irregardless of whatever news happens. And this is the Bitcoin 3-day chart. Leverage for us has just become like better version of Kucoin gem picks, because on a few percent move, you can, 5x or 7x or 10x leverage, you can make a ridiculous amount of money. You can see how the price action is falling, and so is the volume, weak price. This gives some bounce ideas, but the bulls have to show up and bounce here. You got a golden cross coming after the next 3-day candle closes. Golden crosses have been hit or miss. However, the 21 cross bullish above the 200, the last 3 times this happened, I'll just show you the last one. All the way back here. Happened at 7,000. And it led to a run up to $60,000 for Bitcoin. Happened again. Now, the 200 simple is headed lower. It's not amazing. But you're going to have the red 50 simple moving average acting as support. You've got the 21 acting as support. The bulls just have to show up here. Everybody's going to wake up to this crazy article. The SEC is telling all these exchanges just to trade only Bitcoin. Why do they do this? Games. Mental games. The news happens and we adjust to it. That's all you can do. It's sporadic. You trade the chart, you'll win more, period. You don't want to see a breakdown of this area. Otherwise, you can see some significant downside. As long as you put in a low that's higher than the previous low, you're still bullish, right? Just means we work in sideways chop more until the Bitcoin halving. And then I've got a strategy I'm going to share with you guys. 40, possibly even 50% gains out of Bitcoin as far as that goes. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, boom, made $4,000 profit in the first day. You are the man. Thank you. From broke to millionaire. Broke to millionaire. This person, in September, I listened to you like I would my boxing coaches, and I drilled your videos like a maniac. I shifted from crypto YouTube circus mindset, all the crypto yahoos, to professional bull run fighter mindset. As a result, today I'm sitting on 1.42 million USDT. I'm trading for 11 members of my family and friends as well, 750,000 USDT. Me, a millionaire, not even in my craziest dreams. I owe you so much for empowering me to that point. Get these comments every day. This is what drives me. I'm here for you. 5:18 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. I still have to edit this video. But I want to get it out to you so that you have an idea on what we're looking at when stock market opens. Good time to see some market movement. Leverage trading group is just ridiculous. This person shorted comp for 110%. This person long comp for 209%. Same coin going different directions. We nailed Mong. I mean, these are setups posted in group. We're doing live screen shares. Follow the leader. Doesn't get any easier. Again, like we talked about. You want something you've never had. You've got to do something you've never done. If you have Bitcoin weekly chart, so you got all the resistance overhead. You've got a possible double top if this breaks to the downside. Running out of room here. Same plan. At this point, we've been covering it repeatedly. You break out above this level, you're going to open longs. Buy Bitcoin, and then if you get a pullback, and then it acts as the floor, then you want to increase your long here. Double up, right? If this breaks lower, you've got a lot of support down here, but you really don't want to confirm this double top, because then that puts you down here at 20,000. Okay, so make or break for Bitcoin still coming. I came over and I looked at Bitcoin CME futures on the daily. The price action is below the red line. This red line is resistance, where all the selling is taking place. Now, this high is actually considerably higher than it is on spot. And these indicators look more bullish. And so what the stock traders see is possibly a little falling wedge, which will you see the attempt to break out to the upside again. there's a certain number of sellers all stacked right here. They used to be buyers. Really, if you look at it, this line right here, you got a bunch of buyers, a bunch of buyers. This is the Bitcoin CME. This is what stock traders are using, right? But you do have some bearish divergence here. See where you have your high and then your lower high on the MACD. But your stochastic RSI is oversold and trying to curve higher. So that can negate the divergences. So will you get the falling wedge breakout, another attempt at 31,600, 31,700 gets rejected? Again, you're still barely holding on. Okay, this is the daily chart. So this is, I mean, how many days have we been doing this? Since June the 15th, sideways price action, not much going on as far as Bitcoin. All right, now Bitcoin market cap dominance. You've got this trend line, and the bounce here will give you a move out of Bitcoin. I won't tell you the direction, but it's a good timer. And so you've got some bullish divergence, which hints at a bounce, which hints at a move out of Bitcoin, right? So will we see volatility finally out of Bitcoin price action? Or are you going to get your breakdown? I just really think it's absurd that July the 31st, before pursuing Coinbase, the SEC asked it to trade only Bitcoin. Never has this been reported. It even says in the article that there was no formal request made. Why even that companies delist crypto assets? Why even print the article if you're like, it's garbage, it's nonsense? But this is what was said. I'll take you over to Twitter. Now it's total manipulation. A month ago, we saw this, June 29th. Look familiar? It's the exact same picture. Coinbase facing SEC nonsense, says regulator. They lack police power over crypto. I don't know if they lack police power, because they do. Right here, it says the SEC told this news outlet that its enforcement division did not make formal requests for companies to delist crypto assets. A month later, it was all remixed and printed just so that everybody wakes up and has some uncertainty in their mind about what Bitcoin's going to do. But remember, no matter what, bull run ready, the Bitcoin halving is coming, and we're going to kill this market. That's what we do. No group. We're going to make a ton of money in this next bull market rally, FOMO mania extravaganza, because we're a lot more skilled than last time. And I know a lot of people held the downside. This time we're not going to hold the downside. We're going to sell the lower high. There's a chance of another pump back up here to this level and continue in this range even more. If it breaks out above 31,800, go long, because there's going to be an explosive move out of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The halving is coming. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave it in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.